Well, here we are then on the station platform on a Thursday morning, about to go down to London, and today's subject is Facebook and Twitter, and their quite frankly fucking awful attitude to privacy. About a month ago I sent them a subject access request under the Data Protection Act, which means they have to give me all the data that I asked for, and they've completely fucking ignored it. So today we're going down there to remind them a little, so that should be fun. Let's do it. Well, here we are then, just before 11 o'clock in London on a Thursday morning. Lots of people I'm trying not to walk into at this point or to get run over. Not really working very well. Off to go and bushwhack some people who think that the Data Protection Act is optional for them when they're based in the UK. We're going to demonstrate to them that they have to comply with it, so that should be good fun, shouldn't it? So we're just going to have a little interlude while we go on a wander through London to go and bushwhack Facebook first, and then we're going to go and do Twitter. My microphone a little bit. It might be a little bit noisy, but we'll see. So here we are. This is Rathbone Square. This is apparently home of Facebook's UK headquarters. I know what it looks like from stuff the other day, so we'll see. There was some press coverage from down here the other day, so we'll just try and get here and do some deliveries. Number 1 at Rathbone Square we're looking for. There we go. It says Facebook all over their reception. We'll go and make a delivery then. Oh dear. Courier delivery, so morning guys, papers to serve on a Mr. Hatch. I'm here to serve papers on a Mr. Hatch.
I can't take anything on reception, I'm afraid.
Oh, could you get him to come down to take them please? Because I can legally leave them on reception.
We're not allowed to take anything, just have a see on messaging.
Okay, if you could, that'd be wonderful. Thanks a lot, cheers.
Are you delivering?
Yes, I've been told to wait here. Someone's come to get the papers.
Okay. Let's call it. They had an issue with tracking or something like that.
Hello.
You're right.
Yeah,
Do you need any help?
No, your girl's calling somebody to take these papers that I'm here to serve, so it's all good.
Everything goes through the loading bay.
Usually it has to be I don't go through the loading bay because I'm here to serve papers.
Okay.
So somebody needs to either I can legally leave them on reception, but I'd rather somebody came and get them, and she's refused to take them. So
yeah, we don't usually take things.
Well, this is not a usual situation, so I'm here to deliver it, and I'm not allowed to leave without delivering it.
What's
so
your situation?
My situation is I'm here to serve these papers on Mr. Hatch.
Is it about something specific?
It's a legal matter, and you're a security guard, which I'm not obliged to discuss it with you. I don't wish to discuss it with you. My client won't be very happy.
Yeah, usually we don't take things, but
well,
I'll find out.
You can't take that attitude, I'm afraid. This is a legal matter, so.
Oh, I know this. Don't worry. All right. Take your time. I'll be back in a
Thanks. Right, stuff. That's good. Somebody needs to come down here and sort this.
Turned up super early. Too keen.
Come on, getting bored now, folks.
Yes, I'm afraid the only way you can contact legal is legal at FB.
I'm not looking for legal, I'm looking for Steve Hatch. These papers are addressed to Steve Hatch. I can leave them with you on reception and you can get them to him.
Don't accept anything.
Well, as long as I leave them at these premises, I'm legally... No, what I'm going to do is I can legally leave them at these premises. So they have legally been left here and served on you now. There's evidence on my body cam. No, I should. Are you trying to tell me my job?
Everything's gone through legal.
Are you trying to tell me my job?
Your job?
Yeah.
Why would I tell you your job?
Well, you're trying to, because you're telling me what I should and shouldn't
No, I'm
do.
not, and you
So
shouldn't be
I'm going to
putting
take those
exception
over. That's for my protection and yours, and you know it.
Well, we can't
Because
accept
you're
any
wearing your own.
paperwork,
Well,
I'm afraid.
whether you
If
accept
you
it or
post it,
not,
it'll
it's
get to
getting
Steve
delivered to your
Hatch, like I
reception
said.
now, and evidence is on camera that it's been served. I'm just about to do it. It's now been officially served on you, and it's now your responsibility to get it to Mr. Hatch. Okay? Served. So Facebook didn't like being served with papers and didn't want to be served with papers and thought their obstructive attitude would get somewhere. Well, now we've got evidence of it, so it's off to Twitter. Let's go and do that next. Number 19, number 17. I'll find where number 20 is. 20 Air Street, there we go. Morning. God, it's a bit toastier in here. Twitter base here, 20, number 20 Air Street.
Do you have an appointment?
I'm here to serve documents on them. I'm serving legal documents on them.
Okay.
So if you could get
do you
on it,
have
obviously
a
you're
date?
not Twitter, you're...
If you don't
yeah.
have an appointment with anyone, unfortunately we cannot allow you up, sir.
Well, I don't want to go up, somebody come down and get them from me. If you want to tell them there's somebody here to serve documents, that's fine. They can come down here instead of me trekking up there.
What is your name?
Mr. Fox,
Oh, sorry, we are wrong.
I'm going to nick one of your mints while I'm here. How do you leave them there all day when you're sat so
Sorry, what
close?
was your name?
Fox, Mr. Fox. They won't be expecting me.
No, but your first name.
Mr. Fox.
Hi, Bradley. I have Mr. Fox here. He says he wants to present some legal documents. If someone could just come down and collect them, he says, or something.
I mean, legally I can give them to you, but if they want to come down and get them, they're more than welcome.
Basically hand the legal documents.
They're good mints, they are. There's not many places I get to go that's got
I
mints.
don't
It's
know.
usually
He says
some art centre nowhere.
he's not expected by anyone. So.
Time the guy spent on the phone, he could have come down, couldn't he?
Yeah, okay, no worries. It's just. Please take a seat, someone will be there.
He's on his way. Marvellous, thanks a lot. I'll just park myself over there. Cheers. Oh, a bit of a better reception at Twitter. Slightly more reasonable reception anyway. Interestingly, Twitter don't list themselves on the occupiers board here. Can I get on the 1 o'clock? I might get on the 1 o'clock. Taylor Wimpy and Telefonica are here. moved in the calendar then, isn't it? I've just moved it to the wrong day now. For fuck's sake. Somebody coming down to get these documents or what? I might not get to the 1 o'clock. It might be after the 1 o'clock. Might be more like the 2 o'clock. I'll try for the 1 o'clock and we'll see. Parcels? Loads of parcels. Royal Mail, are you? They're sending somebody down there, I suppose, I don't know. There's Liv. So somebody's coming down to put the papers or what? Try and get on the 1 o'clock train, but I don't think that's going to happen. How many zoomy things they've got? Day. Stupid people. Somebody's supposed to be coming to collect these papers. Somebody coming down to collect papers tonight. I'm supposed to be coming to collect these papers. You're right.
You said I can actually take the documents.
Yeah, I'm quite happy to leave them with you. I've got evidence I've done it on the body cam. Yeah, that's fine. If you can... No, I've got evidence.
The envelope or something.
If you could make sure, as long as they get it, I don't care whether it's in an
absolutely.
envelope or the shape of a
I'll
paper
take it to
plane,
the
as long as I've done
reception
my
they
job
have.
and you've done yours. You're a
No
star.
worries.
Thank you,
Cheers.
matey.
Have a
Cheers.
lovely day.
Ta. Well, that was no trouble then. As I suspected, neither of them wanted to take what we want to give them, but that's not the biggest problem in the world, because we've now served them, so... All the documents have been served, and now we are away. See if we can make one of the zoomy things at about 1 o'clock. And I think in this video we've demonstrated the problem. What you've got is you've got organisations who think they're above the law, that they can somehow... We're not going to accept it. The paperwork's just going to go away. No, it's not. It's just going to get left on your fucking reception, you idiots. Trying to stop you serving legal documents on them. The background to this story is I've asked Facebook and Twitter for copies of things that I know are out there that mention my name that I can't see. And under the Data Protection Act here in the UK, they are obliged to disclose it. And they've totally ignored the subject access request, which is an offence here in the UK and a breach of the Data Protection Act 2018 and all the bits and bobs associated with that. So I'll keep you posted how it goes, but these companies just think they're above the law. Well, they're fucking not, and I'm coming after you. So watch your backs.